The Nintendo Switch is packed with incredible free-to-play titles, but many of the best ones are hidden deep in the eShop, making them easy to overlook. The good news? You don't need to spend a dime to have a blast. Whether you're into fast-paced shooters, immersive RPGs, or chaotic party games, this guide will show you how to discover and download the most popular free gems available right now on your Switch. First of all, from the home screen, select the orange shopping bag icon, choose your Nintendo account, wait for the eShop to load. This may take a few seconds. Now go to the search/browser panel. On the right side, choose price range. Now go to the bottom of the price range page. Tap View More on the corner of the free section. This will show all top free games sorted by popularity. You can also sort it by filter on the top. Here, you'll be able to filter it according to release date, price, and relevance. Choose what you like. I'll choose bestsellers. This will show you the most popular free games. You have games like Fortnite, Overwatch, Asphalt, and so much more. Just search for your gem right here. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to find and download the best free games on your Nintendo Switch in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Nintendo tips, tricks, and game recommendations. Thanks for watching. Happy gaming.